Types of syllable. So we've discussed every word is made from syllable. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, more than that. So one of the syllable types is open syllable. It is a syllable in which the next syllable has single consonant sound before the vowel sound. So you can see that baby, female, frozen. The next syllable has single consonant sound, and after that there is a vowel sound. A closed syllable has only one vowel. So there is a possibility of a closed syllable. It may begins with it may have two letters, but it must end with a consonant. For example, in, on, off, or of, at. So if you look at these two-letter words, they end with a consonant sound. So they are closed syllables. This is the example of a closed syllable. A closed syllable may have three letters like cat, catch, net, nest, web, and man. It begins with a consonant and ends with a consonant. So it's an example of a closed syllable. If a word has two closed syllables next to each other, there will be two consonants between the vowel sounds. If a word consists of two closed syllables, so it will have both the vowels have two letters in between them. For example, winter. Wind, one syllable, ter, two syllable. And both of these syllables have two letters in between. One syllable, one consonant at the end of one syllable, and second consonant in the beginning of other syllable. So similarly, summer, common, temper. However, one thing is very important here. When we are discussing its phonology, make sure that two letters in any word are pronounced once. They are not pronounced differently. For example, if we have a word like summer, so we have a single sound of these two letters, double M letters. So we pronounce it summer, right? We do not summer. This is incorrect. Similarly in common. In R-controlled syllables, so we find that in a lot of words, we have a vowel plus R, right? So it is another type of syllable. For example, a vowel diphthong or triphthong with an R or a R-E after it. So we can find a syllable in which we may have a single vowel or diphthongs or triphthongs, right? For example, in the word like hour, we have a triphthong, right? So it is called an R-controlled syllable. For example, dear, whisper, worth, care, and fire. So all these words have R or R-E. So they are called R-controlled. After the vowel sound, there is R or R-E. So ER, UR, IR vowel sounds, like if you find these sounds, ER, these spelling in a word, ER, UR, or IR, they are pronounced as we pronounce ER in the word her. The sound of the bird sound. Is used for ER, UR, and IR. Some AR vowel sounds like the AR in far. For example, sometimes if we have AR in a syllable, so AR is pronounced as we pronounce AR in the word far. Pa, fa, ka, star. Other AR vowel sound like the AR in sheer, air, hair, hair, stare, or vowel sounds like the OR in for. For example, O, for, flow, and do. A vowel team syllable is a group of two or more letters which make one vowel sound. For example, if you look at these, they have two vowel letters in all these words, but they sound like single diphthong. Rain, fail, suit, clear. The silent E syllable, consonant-e, it means that consonant plus E, in which the E or last of the last of the syllable is silent. For example, take, cake, theme, line, tone, tune. So in all these words, the last E of the syllable is silent. The consonant plus LE syllable, for example, we have tackle, consonant plus LE, freckle, tickle, and buckle. So these are some of the types of syllables that we can discuss with reference to their spellings and with reference to their pronunciation.